This is a video recording for Bungalow. They came over and had concerns about several pipes leaking. So we found this one pipe here, this cast iron soil pipe that's going out. As you can see, it's cracked and busted on the top. But as we go up the line here, as you can see, they repaired it here when we got plastic. So this portion needs to be cut out and reconnected onto the other side. In a minute, we'll get to the connection on the other side. And then here is another cracked and broken pipe that's leaking. So this right here will have to be replaced and pick up the connection on the other side of this wall, which this is actually the outside wall and they built on an addition. We'll have to make a connection there, but we'll hit on that here in a minute. So this stack comes up. We got multiple things going on. Here, they have used a T and put on its back. And then when it comes over here, they put these short turn 90s on it. And then the line is actually running uphill instead of downhill. And then instead of a P-trap, they put these sweeps on it, and it's leaking right at that one connection there. So this needs to come out. And then this line comes over, comes across here. And then right here, the way they connected this, you can't do that. And it's leaking. As you can see, they just didn't have enough room for the flange in the way they made this connection. And as you can see, it's been leaking there, and the towers are tore down and wet. And then this back side of this connection right here they made, you can see it's leaking there. They really don't have it plumbed and forced the pipe, and I think it's popped that glue joint there. And I can't honestly say that's ABS glue. That might be PVC glue. That might be part of the problem. So all this plumbing up above needs to be tore out and put in properly. This line going to the outside of the building will need to be replaced from here and to the outside, as well as this one. There's no room for a connection here, so we have to make that connection on the outside. And now we're gonna go and show you what that connection looks like. So this is actually this wall. It's actually this wall. This is actually the old original building. So then this pipe that we're seeing is actually coming out underneath this brick wall. We've looked around the property. There's no access here. So the only way to access that, we would have to remove the subflooring and then hand dig it and retie in. We'll leave an estimate for that. And that is pretty much the end of the video recording.